I'm a trial lawyer. I tried my first case within a month of being licensed, and I've tried cases consistently from that time forward. I've tried cases anywhere from a couple $1,000 property damage case early in my career to multi-million-dollar cases. I've gotten small verdicts and I've gotten large verdicts. I've got multi-million-dollar verdicts. It's important to be a trial lawyer when you're representing individuals that have been hurt in accidents. And it's important because the insurance companies know what lawyers they can bully. They know the lawyers that are not going to take a case to trial because they don't want to or they can't. There's an old adage that says if you prepare a case like it's going to trial, it settles. If you prepare a case to settle, it goes to trial. So these lawyers that the insurance companies know can't or won't go to trial, they won't pay them the kind of money that the case is worth. They won't pay the full value of the harms and losses that you've sustained. Whereas those lawyers that they know will go to trial if they don't get full settlement value, full value, they make bigger offers too. Having a lawyer, a personal injury lawyer, that can't or won't go to trial is like having a gun that won't fire. It might scare those people that don't know that, but the ones that regularly see that gun and see that it never fires are not going to be afraid of that gun. So having a lawyer that won't go to trial, I believe, is just useless. You won't get the full value of your case. And there are ways you can determine out whether or not your lawyer really will go to trial, because a lot of lawyers will tell you they'll go to trial. The question is, have they and will they? There are a number of organizations that, or a number of different ways you can tell if a lawyer will go to trial. Number one, if that lawyer is board certified by the Texas Board of Legal Specialization, you know the lawyer's tried at least 10 cases because that's the minimum requirement. If that lawyer has board certified by the National Board of Trial Advocacy, you know the lawyer's tried at least 20 cases. And there are other organizations such as the American Board of Trial Advocates, which different levels of membership require different number of trials. For instance, to be an advocate in the American Board of Trial Advocates, like I am, you have to have tried at least 50 jury trials to a verdict. And that's a large amount of jury trials in the state of Texas. Again, insurance companies will push around those lawyers that aren't willing or don't have the ability to take a case to trial. So it's important that you have a lawyer that both can and will and has gone to trial before.